Today we're going to learn one of the most important topics in anatomy and physiology, the cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system. If you're a medical, nursing, or allied health student, this video will help you understand the heart structure, blood flow, types of circulation, and function of major vessels, all in a simple and visual way. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming videos on human anatomy and physiology. The cardiovascular system, CVS, is the transport network of the body. It continuously supplies oxygen and nutrients to every cell, and removes waste like carbon dioxide. It's made up of three main parts. 1. The heart, the central pump. 2. The blood vessels or the transport pipes. 3. The blood, the actual fluid carrying everything. So, the heart pumps, blood travels through vessels, and tissues receive oxygen. Without this system, life wouldn't exist, because oxygen delivery stops within seconds if the heart stops beating. Now let's look at the heart, the most hard-working organ in your body. It's a hollow muscular organ about the size of your fist, located slightly left in your chest. It's divided into 4 chambers: right atrium, RA, right ventricle, RV, left atrium, LA, left ventricle, ILV. The heart wall has 3 layers. 1. Epicardium, outer protective layer. 2. Myocardium, thick muscular layer that contracts. 3. Endocardium, smooth inner lining, and it's enclosed by a pericardium, a double-layered sac filled with pericardial fluid to reduce friction as the heart beats. Let's trace how blood flows step by step. 1. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium via superior and inferior vena cava. 2. It moves through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. 3. From there, it's pumped through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery toward the lungs. 4. In the lungs, the blood releases CO2 and picks up O2. 5. Oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium via pulmonary veins. 6. It passes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. 7. Finally, it's pumped through the aortic valve into the aorta, which delivers it to the entire body. And then the cycle repeats, non-stop, about 100,000 times every day. There are 3 main types of circulation you must remember. 1. Systemic circulation, from left ventricle, body, right atrium, carries oxygenated blood to all body tissues. 2. Pulmonary circulation, from right ventricle, lungs, left atrium, exchanges gases in the lungs. 3. Coronary circulation, supplies the heart muscle itself via coronary arteries, returns deoxygenated blood via coronary veins into the right atrium. There are 3 types of blood vessels. 1. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Thick, elastic walls. Usually carry oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery. 2. Veins carry blood toward the heart. Have valves to prevent backflow. Usually carry deoxygenated blood, except pulmonary veins. 3. Capillaries, microscopic vessels that connect arteries and veins. 1 cell thick, just enough for a single red blood cell to pass. Allow exchange of gases, nutrients, and wastes. In the capillary network, oxygen, glucose, and nutrients diffuse from blood into tissues. At the same time, carbon dioxide and wastes move from tissues into blood. This process is called microcirculation, and it's essential for every cell's survival. Let's quickly summarize. The heart pumps blood through arteries, capillaries, and veins. The right side handles deoxygenated blood, the left side handles oxygenated blood. Valves keep the blood moving in one direction. 3 circulations, systemic, pulmonary, and coronary, keep the body alive. Clinical tip: if blood flow to any organ stops, even for a few minutes, it can cause ischemia or cell death. That's why cardiovascular health is vital. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want me to make a video on heart sounds and ECG explained next. Until then, keep learning and stay healthy.